Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Mautic to N8N. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log it into your account. Now click on Create Workflow to start building your automation. Then click on Add First tab. In the search bar, tap Mautic and click on it when it appears. Now, choose whether you want to use a trigger or an action, depending on your goal. Next, click on Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Here, enter your Mautic URL, username and password. After filling in the details, click on Save. Now you can select the event number or ID and choose how events should be sorted. Go to the Node panel and search for Mautic again. This time, choose an action like a Create Company. Then pick the credential you just created to connect with Mautic. Now, select the right resource and operation and enter the company name. Once everything is ready, click on Execute step to test the connection and make sure it works. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.